Guys, I'm announcing my entrance to the Sci-Fi Challenge. This is put on by Tyrell Knifeworks. I have to make a sci-fi weapon, and I've decided on the Halo Sword. What I'm going to be making for the steel and the Halo Sword, it's required as one of the parameters to do used material or previously made material. I've got a historic bandsaw blade here that's like over 100 feet long. I've got mill-in bearings. I've got chainsaw chain. I've got a historic bolt from a bridge that was decommissioned. And I'll be layering in a little bit of 1084. In addition, I'm going to kind of wrap Makume Gane over the top. We'll see how that all turns out. And then it should have some pattern elements in there and a nice custom handle. So go check me out. I should be viewed on my channel as well as on the YouTube Knife Makers Challenge, Sci-Fi Challenge.